Ensuring the highest level of security and compliance in government drone operations is essential, but it's not always straightforward. Drone technology delivers powerful advantages for critical operations, from improved efficiency to better situational awareness. At the same time, government agencies and organizations must ensure their drone programs meet strict security and compliance standards. Blue UAS and NDAA compliance are designed to safeguard operations from security risks, but understanding what those requirements actually mean and how to meet them correctly can quickly become challenging and confusing. Blue UAS refers to a government-approved list of trusted drone manufacturers, while NDAA compliance ensures that drones and their critical components, such as flight controllers, radios, and cameras, meet U.S. national defense requirements. Without the right expertise, navigating these requirements can slow decision-making and create unnecessary uncertainty. This is where Drone Nerds comes in. We don't just help you choose the best NDAA-compliant drone for your use case, we help you build a program that actually works. With our Always Flying program, you get expert consultation, enterprise repairs, and rapid turnaround times, so your pilots aren't grounded when something goes wrong. And with our Hot Swap program, backup aircraft and payloads can be shipped overnight to help keep missions moving with minimal downtime. Our team provides program guidance from day one, taking the time to understand your operational goals, mission profiles, and compliance requirements, not just the hardware specs. So once you're deployed, our maintenance services ensure your fleet stays ready for your next mission and performing at peak levels, while our enterprise repair team handles unexpected damage or hardware failures quickly and professionally. Drone Nerds also supports agencies and enterprises at the leadership level. We help design ROI demonstration projects so you can clearly show decision makers the real value of drone implementation. Need to deploy fast? Our kitting services deliver aircraft, payloads, and software fully configured, ready to fly right out of the box. And we don't stop at equipment. Our enterprise training programs support everyone from experienced pilots to full program rollouts with advanced customized instruction. To make it even easier, Drone Nerds offers commercial financing options, helping agencies and organizations launch strategic initiatives without any delays. And the best part is, our experts keep up with all the changing regulations, so you don't have to. Whether you're an agency or a private business using federal funds, Drone Nerds can help you navigate the compliance maze. If you're ready to get started with NDAA compliance the right way, simply click the link below to connect with our team and take the first step toward a compliant, efficient drone program.